In the previous video, our last step was x minus 7 upon 4 the whole square is equal to 7 upon 4 whole square minus 3 upon 2. That implies x minus 7 upon 4 the whole square is equal to 49 upon 16 minus 3 upon 2. That implies x minus 7 upon 4 the whole square is equal to, if we take the LCM, it is 16. So 49 minus 24. That implies x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to 25 upon 16. So x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to, as we remove the square, it will come in under root. So x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to plus minus 5 upon 4. Okay. So now we have plus minus sign, so we will take them one by one. On taking plus sign, x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12 by 4. That means x is equal to 3 on taking plus sign. Now let's take minus sign. On taking minus sign, x minus 7 upon 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. That implies x is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is equal to, 4 is the LCM, minus 5 plus 7. So x is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 is the second root. That means the two roots of the quadratic equation, x is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. So you can see here, since we got the value of b square minus 4ac which was greater than 0, so we have two distinct real roots which are satisfying the condition.